So I did a bad thing the other day. I was loading up the truck to go to market, and I needed to put something on the seat that the iPad was sitting on. And I set it on top of the truck. And I promptly forgot about it. And as we're going down the street, the iPad flies off and smacks the ground right in the corner. And bounces a few times. So this is what we got. It ain't straight no more. It's got a bend in it. And it ain't got glass in the glasses. Well, the screen protector is kind of sort of on there, but I don't know if we can get that bend out of it. They're actually just straight up Phillips. That's fantastic. Yeah, screen's still good. Okay. So now, what does it take to get that to come up? It still does not want to come up there. What about over here on this side? Okay. Now there does feel like there's something on the back side of it down there holding it down. I'm not sure what's going on over there yet, but okay, that's loose there. So this just seems like it's some sticky or some tape or something that's caught up over here. Yep. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And now we see the magic on the back. Okay. So what we have and that folded up, and now that one should be unpluggable. And that's out. That's And there we have it. We got that cover off. And there we got that one. And that gets the screen off. Look at that. It's not damaged. I mean, now it's dirty. I'm going to have to clean it, but it's not damaged. And then we'll take this off. That is going to be a bugger to get back on. But at least I got it off. So you don't need $100 for the heating pads to get that off. Alright, so now I got to get all of this extra stuff out of it and all the little broken pieces of glass and everything out of it. That is going to be a pain. But a $29 digitizer versus a several $100, even refurbished. Still worth picking all this glass off, I think. Well, and there we have it. An iPad stripped of its glass. And and the button. If you don't have the original button, then you can't use Touch ID. Interestingly, wiggling it like that seems to have gotten it off. And there is a glue. I don't know if I broke this or not. We're just gonna push that up through there. Okay, and hopefully I didn't damage that taking it off. My solution to keeping the thing safe while I wait for the replacement digitizer is to keep it in the original box. So